If you have ever uploaded a video on YouTube and got zero views, zero subscribers, and zero engagement, you are not alone. It can be really frustrating, but here is the truth: YouTube is not an overnight success game. Every successful YouTube content creator started exactly where you are now. They started with no audience, no reach, and had no idea what would work. But here is what made the difference: they kept on uploading videos even if no one was watching. Now, if you are serious about growing your channel, making money, and finally seeing results, listen to me carefully, because this could change everything for you. On my first YouTube channel, I had videos that barely got any attention when I first uploaded them. Honestly, it felt like I was wasting my time. But do you know the crazy part? Some of those old videos are now gaining traction and bringing in views and money today. Yes, of course, that channel is now monetized. Now, imagine if I had stopped posting after my first few videos flopped. I would not be where I am today. That is why I'm telling you to keep going. The work you put in today will pay off in the future, but only if you stay consistent. Most new YouTube content creators make the same mistake, which is they upload one or two videos and when they don't see instant success, they give up and quit. That is why so many people fail on YouTube. Think about it. When people discover your channel, they will want more content from you. But if they check your page and see only one or two videos, they will click off and leave. You just lost potential subscribers, watch time, and future views. Now, this is why you should launch your channel with at least 5 videos. That way, when your first video finally gains traction, whether it's today, next month, or next year, viewers will have more content to binge watch. And that's how you turn one viral video into long term success. But even after those 5 videos, don't stop. Your focus should not be on getting instant views. It should be on uploading quality content consistently, even if no one is watching. Ensure you post at least 5 high quality value packed videos before you launch your YouTube channel. Make sure your content is evergreen so it stays relevant months or years from now. Keep uploading, even if your views are low. Try to stay consistent for at least a month and then another month after that. Let me tell you the hard truth: your videos might get little to no views. Yes, it's normal. YouTube is a platform that rewards consistency, not overnight success. But if you stop now, you will never reach the breakthrough moment. This is the difference between those who succeed on YouTube and those who do not. The ones who win are the ones who keep showing up. You only need one video to go viral. And when that happens, all your other videos will start getting views too. Why? Because people who enjoyed that viral video will want more content from you. And if you already have content waiting for them, they will keep watching. But if your channel is empty, they will definitely move on to someone else. This is exactly what happened to me. Some of my old videos, which barely had any views, started picking up later. If I had deleted them or quit, I would have lost that opportunity. I know this YouTube journey can feel lonely, but you are not in this alone. I want to hear from you. What's been your biggest struggle in growing your channel? Drop a comment below and let's talk. I'll be replying to as many comments as I can because we are in this together. Oops! I didn't even introduce myself. My name is Jessica, your new YouTube growth success coach. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome to YouTube Growth with Jessica. Now, I want you to do one thing: subscribe only if you got value from this video. Honestly, I'm not here to force you, but if you learned something new, I promise this is just the beginning. Because I'll be teaching you everything I know about growing on YouTube for free. And trust me, you wouldn't want to miss my next video because I'll be sharing the highest paying YouTube niches that can make you serious money. So if that sounds like something you'd love to know, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.